Hey yo, my name is Aurelio Medina, and today you'll be watching my first ever solo flight. Now before we begin, let me introduce you to some key players we're going to need to understand for today's flight. First off, and probably the most important, is the aircraft. The one you're seeing here is November 133 Delta Alpha, which is a Diamond DA-20. In fact, this one is the exact one I'm flying in the video. Next up we have me, the pilot. At this stage of my student pilot career, I had roughly 14 hours of flight training under my belt, all of which was taught to me by this absolute unit of a man, Mac, my flight instructor. Now, with all that out of the way, allow me to get you the passenger briefing for today's flight. Today, June 11th, 2021, we will be departing Kilo Mike Golf Juliet, otherwise known as Orange County Airport, for a local flight taking off from runway 22 for right closed traffic. Our current position is the ramp in front of Take Flight Aviation.
Alright, cool. Gotta check this recording. Good, check this out. Holy sh**. Alright. Cool.
Transmit radio check.
Radio check. Radio check. Cool. Brakes test, turn test. Alright, we'll test as we get out. Alright. Holy sh**, this is actually happening. Alright, parking brakes off. Oh my god, we're moving. Alright. Taxiing out. I don't know where my man Mac is, but that's alright. Good. Alright, we gotta be careful. Expensive airplane. It does feel a lot lighter without my instructor. Turns quicker too. I didn't expect that. Turns a lot easier. There's my family. To my right. I'll be back to see them again. Run up is good. Alright. Cool. Ignition idle. Throttle friction. Alright. Pre-takeoff. We'll do that here. Flaps to takeoff. Fuel pump is on. Canopy is locked. I'm going to close this jaw on here. Make it a little quieter in here. Focus more. Transponder is set to VFR. Heading bug. Got the runway heading bugged. Probes on. Time note. It is 1907, that's good. 707. Brakes release, landing lights on. Alright. Let's get lined up here. Nice. Okay.
Orange County traffic, Mooney midfield, right downwind 22, Orange County.
Alright. We're probably gonna, I'm just gonna wait for him. Orange County traffic, Diamond 33 Delta Alpha, holding short, runway 22, Orange County.
You got plenty of time to go if you want.
Alright, matter of fact, I will. Thank you. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, taking off, runway 22, remaining in the pattern, Orange County. That was glad of him. My judgment, yeah, no, I would have had time, but I like time before to just collect myself, but I'm collected. I got the flaps to take off, and yeah, I mean, all lights are on, not really forgetting anything. Here we go. First ever takeoff by myself.
Orange County traffic, Mooney turning right base, 22, Orange County.
Right rudder heavy here. I don't know why it's so. Alright, and there's full throttle. T's, alright, airspeed is live. T's and P's are in the green. And 50, 45, 55, and rotate. Woo, they weren't lying. This plane takes off quick now. Where's my family? There they are. I gotta focus. Alright.
Orange County traffic, Mooney turning final 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, upwind, runway 22, Orange County.
Doesn't
All right.
light.
Repeat.
Have fun.
Thank you. I think he said good flight. All right, 800. There we go. Pitch for 75. 75. Low down. There we go. Holy crap, I'm flying by myself. What's going on here? This is crazy. That right rudder in.
So if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm flying in what's called the traffic pattern, which is basically that little rectangle that you see, which is an imaginary path that us pilots use to land on the same runway over and over and over again.
Alright, we're coordinated, that's good.
Radio check.
Loud and clear. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha turning right base, runway 22, Orange County. A little lower than usual, that's alright. Actually, no, that's good. Actually, I'm a little higher than usual. I don't know, it's just different. I feel like, you know, a little different. Don't got a whole nother person in here. Alright. Let's see, pitch up a little more, get below 78. There we go, 78, and second notch of flaps. And they are down. I don't think I checked them on the takeoff flaps, but I'll keep that in mind for next time. Crank open our power a little bit more here. Not that much, not that much. Wow, it's beautiful. I don't know why I'm focusing more on the cockpit now, or outside. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, turning final runway 22, Orange County. Yeah, I don't know why it feels like I'm personally focusing more outside of the plane now without my instructor in. Maybe it's just because I'm hyper-focused on everything right now. Dialed in. Alright. Yeah, I announced final. Alright, I see a plane. Or that might be my instructor. Oh wow, we are just like coming in nice. Alright, I'm not gonna goof up the landing here, I promise. Alright, now really dial in. Oh. Alright, I'm expecting to float a little bit more. Ooh, that's not good. Good powered idle. Alright, good. Too much there. Don't want the nose wheel bouncing. Honestly, it was alright. Could have been smoother. That's alright. More aerodynamic braking in here. Damn, this plane turns a lot better without a whole nother person. Start slowing down here. Alright. Alright, come off the runway here. Oh my god, I just did that. Why does it feel... Oh my god. Oh. Woo! Woo! Animal center line. Okay. Alright. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha is clear of runway 22, Orange County. That up.
Orange County traffic,
That jump up.
taking 22 for departure, remain in the pattern, right traffic, Orange County.
Oh, my belt's digging. Alright, cool. Got it. Alright, let's do our after landing cruise. Strobes on. Alright, landing lights off. Taxi lights as required, mission is required, trim neutral. Alright, let's do that. There we go. Alright, and transponder is hard. Let's get out. Alright, taxiing back. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's see what time it is. Alright, that was about a little 9-minute pattern-ish. So, 9 minutes 3 times. 27 or something like that, I think. Could be good. Oh my god, I'm kind of actually doing this right now. That's insane. Woo! I love flying, man. That's so cool. Alrighty. Oh, I think I see my family. I do see my family. Oh my god, that's so cool. That is so cool. Yo. Oh, it's loud. Yeah, it's loud.
Hey, it's me again. Alright, so while I let this play in the background, because in my opinion it's honestly a little boring to just watch through, I want to talk to you guys about pretty much the future of these types of videos, the future of my flying, how my flying's going, and all that. Alright, so currently I actually have around 42.4 flight hours under my belt. I'm editing this, a little late, about 6 months after it actually happened. But that's not going to happen anymore. My plan for this channel is to basically upload at least one of these really high quality, really engaging videos per month. And honestly, it's going to happen with ease, in my opinion. I have a lot of flying coming up. I'm about to get my license. And there's going to be a lot of content coming up. So I just hope you guys are excited. And I hope we can create a community where we can learn from each other. If you guys have questions, I can teach. And hopefully you guys can see me through my entire career of becoming an airline pilot. Now, I'll let you see this greasy landing. Honestly, this upcoming landing, I'm not going to lie. One of my best. One of my best.
Yeah. Orange County traffic for 915 Mike is now 3 miles to the west. We'll be entering right downwind runway 22, looking for the Mooney. All right, Mooney's coming up on the numbers on 4 on the downwind. I got you in sight. Okay, I got you in sight as well. I'll follow you. Number 2. Sounds good.
All right, just focus. Flaps landing. Once again, forgot to check those visually. That's a oops. Hey, you live and you learn. I just got to focus on landing. Ooh, a little high there. Throttle. Sorry. Whoa. Language, Aurelio. My fault. I'm sorry. That was just some straight butter on the bread. I must not lie here.
20 turning right base 22, Orange County.
Listen, I gotta be real with you. I gotta give credit where credit was due. That was some crisp butter right there. Low down before the runway. I should probably start slowing down earlier. Yes, well, I have my last one to get it right. I love flying, dude. I love flying. I'm gonna make this my literal life, dude. Like, holy crap, that looks so cool, dude. Oh, the shadow of the plane, bro. Man.
Traffic about turn final. Are you gonna do a full stop? Yeah, we'll be full stop.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, clear of 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, plans of 15 Mike, extended downwind, right 22, behind
right.
the moon.
Checklist,
Okay.
always.
Mooney is turning final for 22.
I'm flying a plane. I'm flying a plane. I'm flying a plane. All right. That's enough funny business. Let's buckle up for the final landing.
You know what? I thought I was going to be way too far to the left there, but I'm pretty much on it. So. I feel like these screens below me are just changing their dimness without me realizing. Oh, too fast. Pitch up more in that case. Yes, trade your speed for pitch. I don't know, something like that. All right. Look at the windsock a little bit from our left, or we get a little bit of a left crosswind. Still a little low. Should be fixing that out right here. A little bit more speed. Not my proudest approach, but that's all right.
Aurelio, make it a good one.
I'll try my best. Could have been better. I'm embarrassed. Too much pressure. Could have been better.
Yeah, I like it. That's good enough.
Good enough. Alright, aerodynamic braking. Come on. Let's get ourselves slower and start slowing down here. Throttle is to idle. Alright, we'll worry about that once we're off the runway. thing at a time. I'm so sorry, brakes. That's my fault. Holy crap, I can't get over how cool that looks when I'm turning there. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, clear of runway 22, Orange County. Alright, let's see. Idle.
Good job, I'll see you back up here.
Sounds good, thank you. Honestly, not bad. Not bad at all. Alrighty. Should I bring it to the first parking slot or the second one?
All right, and that pretty much wraps up that flight. I have a couple more flights planned. My next video is probably going to be talking about how I got my license, because I'm pretty much one flight away from getting my entire private pilot's license. And then the rest will be history. We'll see from there, man. A lot of flying with friends, a lot of flying with my family, my little sister, going to the city, going wherever, honestly. But yeah, hope you guys stay tuned, enjoy your nights, and I'll see you.
Hello, hello. Yeah, it felt amazing. It felt really great. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. He's up. He's up. All right.